Planning a move from West Jordan to Kaysville, Utah? Even though it is not a cross-country move, it still helps to understand the cost, timing, and services before moving day. Because this move stays within Utah, it is considered an intrastate move. That means pricing and requirements may be different from an interstate move that crosses state lines. According to 3 movers, West Jordan to Kaysville movers may cost around $450 to $1,200 for a standard intrastate move, while larger or more service-heavy moves may cost more depending on the home size, stairs, and packing needs. Your final moving cost can depend on how much you are moving, the number of movers needed, loading time, stairs, elevators, long carries, parking access, and whether you add packing or unpacking services. Many West Jordan to Kaysville moves can be completed in one day. The total time may vary based on traffic, home size, loading access, and how prepared everything is before the crew arrives. Packing services can make the move easier, especially if you have fragile items, tight staircases, or a busy schedule. To save money, some people pack smaller items themselves and let movers handle the heavy pieces. Whether you are moving a home, apartment, or small office, the right moving team should explain the service options clearly, from basic loading and transport to full-service moving and temporary storage. Do not choose only by the lowest estimate. Look at experience, reviews, services included, insurance details, scheduling, and how clearly the company explains possible extra charges. So, what should you know before moving from West Jordan to Kaysville? Plan early, understand what affects the cost, prepare your belongings, and choose a mover that fits your schedule and service needs. For more helpful moving guides, visit 3movers at 3movers.com and read the full guide on West Jordan to Kaysville movers and moving costs.